Right now we're doing a walk around video on a 2019 Land Rover Velar. We're trying to make the determination if we're going to build this vehicle. Looking it over, make sure there's no surprises or hidden frame damage. So far, frame, everything under the hood looks good. The cooling looks good. It's running, it's driving. Just want to make sure there's no frame damage. We have a little damage to the apron, but it looks repairable here. Land Rover parts are restricted from the dealer, so if there's frame damage, you cannot buy them. You can only buy them used. So that's a big factor for us to make the decision. So far, so good. Some damage here also. We can repair this. Probably why they totaled the vehicle. The wheel looks like it's back a little bit. I don't think it's the frame. Looks like it could be the control arm. Other than that, everything looks good. All the damaged parts are inside the vehicle, which is always a plus because every part is expensive on this vehicle. Every screw, every bolt. Earlier in the video, we took a video of this same vehicle with all the parts taken off, showed you all the structure. There was no structural damage. We decided not to build this vehicle because we have just too many projects going on right now. So we took the parts out of the interior and placed them back on the vehicle, and we're putting the vehicle up for sale. As you can see, this is not a major collision. So we're going to give the opportunity for one of our customers to purchase this vehicle instead of us building it. It's got a key marked on the side. Somebody was nice enough to scratch the car with a key. These two doors have to be painted. Got some scratches back here. It's a fairly easy fix. It runs, it drives. Minimal parts needed. On the front, need a fender, inner fender, need a molding there. Refinish this wheel. Only real expensive part was the headlight. You gotta repair this bumper. This hood could be repaired. Not too bad. This is a R Dynamic Land Rover Velar. We cleaned up the interior. Only 8,900 miles. Really nice builder. We took the parts out of the interior so that we don't cause any further damage than what needs to be fixed. The insurance companies, when they assess a vehicle, they'll take the parts off and then throw the parts inside after it's totaled. Anyway, this will be on our website soon. Thanks for watching.